How you doing, y'all? This is my finished addition to my shed. I'm out building. I still haven't put gravel down yet, but I will. Here's my cookers where I cook Boston butts in, pig roast, or little small pigs, barbecue. Here's my fish cooker or turkey cooker. Right here's windows installed. Right here. Another window. There's a vent at the top. So when I'm cooking, I like for the smoke and everything to get out of here, or if we're having a party or something like that. Over here, I hung all my ladders up, nice and out of the way. I'll show you all the outside of it. Here's the outside, y'all. Windows, they did a good job. Of course, I helped. Before and after effects. Here's the back. One good building, storing tractors in and different things. Boats. Here's this. I didn't put a window on this side. It's all plain. Here's another good view of it. It's a 30 by 20 by 30 building, and it's 12 foot to the ceiling. And the hurricane proof it withstands 95-mile-an-hour winds. I got that proof. And here's my lighting. I got halogen lights at the top. He's gonna play on light at night when I'm out of here cooking or working on equipment. And there's my shelves over there I hadn't put up yet. Here's a couple shelves I got. There's a lot of stuff's got to be stored, and most of my implements going to be put outside. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching. This is the project of the building. It's done now, just about. Thank y'all for watching. Alright, bye-bye.